Yeah, g'day viewers, Miss Showing Thompson Pike along, not bad, thanks. I hope you guys are having a sensational day. I'm just slipping into the freight centre real quick. Got a trailer on, mate. What the hell I be picking up? You wait and see. Holy dooly, mate, we're all sorted here today, eh? What do you, oh, I better fix that up. What do you even got in there, mate, eh? What have you got in there? Oh, that's all tied in and on, mate, eh? Yeah, one more quick little stop. Just gonna go visit my mates at Repco and take one back. Oh, check it out. Copy that. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? It's got to go there. That's the plan. Just trying to get all this blue crap off it. Not bad, mate. Hey, not bad. 1,200 bucks. Ew. Well, it's big. It's really big. So what do you reckon, viewers? Holy bloody dooly, mate. So what the plan is we're putting a an angle fridge in there with a battery, hooking it up to the van because we got rid of the fridge, the three-way Thetford three-way gas fridge. I bought a little
fridge is a little bit smaller.
Yeah, our new Brass Monkey fridge is half the weight, if that. And
but even when we had the big fridge, we decided we needed another fridge.
Yeah. So. Anyway, we're adding weight to the drawbar, but don't stress. There's going to be a lot of people say, "Surely you can't do that." Well, I just did. Gubby. Alrighty, so the plan, viewers, see this marine ply that I bought? It's going to go in the floor, in the base, because the old box was held on by those two little plates there, and I don't want to weld to the chassis because that'll wreck the gal. So I'm going to cut out a full section of this marine ply to go in the internals, and then bolt that down with two big bolts, and then I've got to make up something to hook up the fridge slide. So I've got the Titan fridge slide and hook that in there so the fridge can sit in there and then run some power. Happy days. Step in here real quick. And where is it? Oh, there it is, baby. There it is. Oh, Pappy's bag of Milwaukee. Right, hey mate, what's in Pappy's bags of tricks here, eh? Need that one. Oh yeah, that one. Not even sure what that is. And that one there. Definitely gonna need that one because you know I'm gonna mess this up. And a baggie. You want a baggie? A baggie? I think that goes on there to stop the stuff. What's in there? Viewers, what's in here? Oh, that's for that. Oh, that's one of those little thingies. All the toys. It's a mechanic did the building. Shawnee doesn't build. Pappy! I need help! So apparently I was doing everything wrong, Pappy said. I needed here, clamps on the back of the trailer so I can reach over like this and or something and something and something. I know the other builders are going to say, Shawnee, if you run a bit of tape along there, it won't chip as, you know, your thingy swirls around. But I don't care. It's in the bottom of a canopy. If I had to look at it, I'd care, but I don't. Well, I do care, but I don't care. Like, does that make sense? Righto, cut number one done. I love this thing, eh? I love Milwaukee tools, mate. They are absolutely sensational. Look at that. Righto, can you hold that, lovey? I'll cut this. Well, the toolbox isn't square. Because it wouldn't be me cutting job, mate. I know. I measured it with measuring sticks. I measured it with a measuring stick. Oh dear. That's the problem. 1690, 1695, mate. That's not going to work, is it? I don't even know how that happened, mate. Check it out. Hey? I'm going to blame the tool. The one using the tool, hey? Here in the building industry, we'll call that piece a packer. Or a spacer. I'll use it later. Alright, it's still not right because of the tool behind the tool. So I've got this tool now. Hey, I get to play with all of them. Alrighty, viewers, so I figured out that thing. It took a while, but you know, we got there in the end. And look at that, mate, she's in. Now, bolt it down, throw the fridge slide in, and I've got to work out how I'm going to lift the fridge slide up to the height of that so that it'll slide out. Any ideas? Any takers? Go on then, quick. Give me your ideas. Had to bring in reinforcements, mate. Hey? You know why? I'll show you. Oh, more Milwaukee. Okay, lovey, what I need you to do is basically sit inside the canopy. I just need you to sit in there because I'm going to get underneath it and drill holes up through it. But if I drill up through it, I don't need it to move. So you Just sit in there.
Please don't get me though. How long are you getting without it tipping?
I don't know. Just get in there.
Serious?
Here you go, wifey. You're right, eh? Is that your new little doghouse, love? I tell you what, mate, it was a bit of an effort, but we got there in the end. Eh? Not bad. Oh, hang on. Push it. Not bad. Thanks. That's it. So I know you're dying to work out, know exactly how I did it. So what I did, right, I cut up the bloody pallet that the toolbox came on, just ripped off the side of it, and I threw it them under there. She sits up beautiful, mate. Hey, look at that! Even where the forklift thing goes is right where it lined up where my bolt was, mate. Have a go at that, eh? You little ripper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to store my stuff. Oh, hang on, you're looking at me ugly head. Store some stuff under there, and I'm going to put a false wall in the battery behind the fridge, and we're on, mate. We are on. Righto, so the plan was to get another bit of that marine ply and make a false floor so that I had a false floor and then just screw the fridge slide to that. But I don't have enough marine ply. So that wasn't going to work. So what I'm going to do now is leave this side as it is, the fridge slide as it is. I'd put a battery in behind there and then run some power from this battery back to the van so that the solar will charge off it, the van solar will charge off it. And then I've got to put a false wall in there so all the stuff that I've got to put in the other side doesn't flick through and hit the back of the fridge. I'd mount the gas bottles on the front. Still got a bit of work to do, mate. It's not a 5-minute job. This is not. Good morning, you cheeky buggies. I hope you guys are having a sensational day. Now, I'm going to answer a heap of questions that I got asked yesterday about my new toolbox on the front. First of all, big shout out to Ultralube in WW for the fridge slide. I've got the wall in. I've got the gas bottles on. I've got the gas bottle thingy mounted. Now, first question was, is the box going to hit the back of Jack when I turn? See the stone deflector? That's in the exact same spot as it was before. It's probably moved about 5 mil further forward. So answer that question, no, it will not hit the box. Shawnee, you're going to increase your ball weight by heaps. Yes, I will increase the ball weight. I think I've worked it out. With it fully loaded, it's going to increase the ball weight by about 50 kilos. Yes, 50 kilos with that big toolbox on, because I've got rid of so much stuff off the front of it. We've gone away from the 9 kilo gas bottles back to 4 kilo gas bottles. I moved the jerry can holders to the back of the van. The jerry can holders to the back of the van, so they're back here now. We've redistributed weight in the caravan, so we've pushed more weight backwards. The 40 litre angle fridge, chocker block full in there with all the stuff in there and the battery and everything, and the weight of the canopy. If my calculations are correct, it should be 50 kilos heavier. So everyone don't get your knickers in the knot. With this caravan hitch, I've got a 400 kilo ball weight is my maximum capacity. At the moment, I think I worked it out before that I was sitting on about 120 kilo. That transferred onto the car and math and all that sort of stuff. I still have to weigh the van when we leave. I'm going to weigh it just to double check and make sure everything's all sweet. But that's about what we're doing. What was the other question I got asked? Vents in the box. Yes, I know. Fridge. I've got to put a vent in the box. I know. Just, I'm getting there, mate. I'm getting there. All right? Just relax. Yeah. Today's mission, I got me safety boots on. We're doing the battery setup and running the wires, and got to bolt the battery down and make a whole bunch of plugs and stuff like that to connect that to the system in the van so that it'll all charge and work and love each other. Copy? Copy. Alrighty, mate, quick update of where we're at and what we're doing and how we're doing it, alright? So I've screwed the tap on there, external tap, the kids' pink boogie board. Well, that's what I've been laying on because, you know, my back hurts and I'm old. Fixed all the gas bottles up. I showed you that this morning, I think. What was another question? I keep getting asked where I got the toolbox. Where'd you get the toolbox? Where'd you eBay? Get on eBay, type in canopy, Ute canopy, and there's a Koji or something, Koiji or Koyo or some bloody thing. That's where I got it. If you really want to know, yeah, just get on eBay, mate. Have a look about it. It was $1,200, so $1,200, and $300 landed. Cost me $300 shipping to get it from Brisbane to where I am. So anyway, fridge slide, battery, put some battery mount, a little bracket in there, a bracket there, a little one up there, and then wiring all down into there, out the back, and wired up into the caravan. So the solar at the moment is charging that battery as well. So next, pull the fridge off the back of Pappy's truck, the little rock, and put it in there. How I'm going to mount the fridge, I'll show you how I mount the fridge when I get to that. Alrighty, fridge, back of Pappy's truck, the little rock. Now this is how I mount the fridge. Underneath here, drill 2 holes. Oh, you can't see, it's out of focus. Come on, stupid phone. Oh, boom, 2 little bolts. Boom, boom. Yes, they are too long, and yes, I've screwed nuts on them so that I can lock them off. So you undo these 2 little bolts, and the bolts go up from underneath. I'll show you in a second. So, the 2 bolts, and move that out of the way. Lay it over. Gentle. Dunker. And boom, straight in there with the feet bolt on, mate. Pull your little feet out, and then just, bolt it straight in there. Now on this Pappy's truck, I just had it bolted at the front of the fridge, that end. 2 bolts in there because he had the under tray toolbox, so I didn't want to drill holes in the floor to leak water in the under tray toolbox. Usually what I used to do on my old ute is diagonal, 1 each corner. Now I've got to mark it out and drill holes in the platform to do the same. Happy days. Oh, but Shawnee, you got to rubber mount the fridge so that it doesn't crack out and, blah, 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 blah. Mate, see that fridge there? That fridge was bought brand new in 2007. That fridge is pushing nearly 15 years old, and I have had it mounted to the back of every single one of my utes that I've ever owned exactly the same way. As you can see, the rust in the fridge still works awesomely. Spent its whole life outside. Because of that name there, baby, don't buy anything else but that if you want to buy a decent fridge. Right here, mate, right here, real quick. Where are the cracks? Shawnee, it's going to crack out. Where are the cracks? Come on, quick. Where are the cracks? No cracks. 15 years, back of the ute. It's mounted exactly the same way. Don't tell me about your cracks. Copy. Right, a quick trick for young players. How do I mark out the holes for the fridge to sit on Shawnee? Righto, cardboard, mate. The cardboard that the fridge slide came in. Cut it out to the size you want it, sit the fridge on top of it. It'll create the indents from the floor of the fridge underneath it. Just let it sit there for a minute, push on it, take the fridge off, and mate, there your indents. Drill your holes wherever you want it, move the cardboard over it, up, back, forward, whatever. Happy days. I think what I'm going to do is actually going to mount the fridge off to one side a little bit because it's so big and awesome. A little gap down there, I can put, the things that go in fridges, the holders for them. Copy? Hey, copy? So my electrician mate Aaron sent me a message saying, hey Shawnee, do I need to come and check your wiring before, you plug anything in to make sure it's not going to melt anything? And I stupidly sent him a smart ass Snapchat back saying, you fucking retard, leave me alone. So I was throwing on bed. Anyway, can anyone else see what I've done here? Yeah, maybe you should duck over real quick, buddy, and check out the rest of it, eh? Thank God for fuses in angle fridges. Only another reason to buy an angle, they're fused. So I fixed that up real quick, got the wires back around the right way. Fridge is plugged in and it's working. It's hot today, it's 26 degrees. It is getting cooler. Next problem that I did not account for. Hang on, here, look. Shut the fridge, click, shut the handle. Oi, mate. Oi. Oh, mate. Are you serious? I've got to move it over that far. Alright, so I just got my measuring stick out, mate. And we're going to go back 55 mil and it'll miss it. So I can keep it on that side, just go back 55 mil. Happy day. Righto, mate. I'm pretty well done, I think. Wife has just shoved some stuff in there and we just clean that drawer there out. We've got rid of a heap more crap. We've got to tidy up there. And pretty well done. I've got a few little touch-up jobs I've got to do inside the box. I've got to clean out, sweep it out and clean it out of that. I'm just sucking the fridge down to make sure it's working properly. And yeah, mate. Show us your weekend project and then show us your workbench. You want to see me workbench? You want to see what I've been working off, mate? Yeah. I have got stuff everywhere. Oh, yes. Yeah.